Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I create something different for you. If you love tea, this Earl Grey dessert is for you. Made with layers of Earl Grey cake and delicious two different creams, Earl Grey and Plum. If you're ready for this dessert, let's get started. We'll start by placing milk and Earl Grey tea in a saucepan over medium heat and bring to a simmer for 10 minutes. We need to infuse as much as possible fragrance of our Earl Grey tea. That's why after 10 minutes you will turn off the heat, cover and let it sit for another 10 minutes. Sift milk tea and press to remove any excess of liquid. Make sure to save the tea leaves, we'll use them later for cream. Next, we'll crack 6 whole eggs and 4 egg yolks. The eggs should weigh approximately 360 grams. In the bowl with hot water, place eggs and start beating on high speed for approximately 3 minutes. Then you will add sugar and you will beat for the next minute or two. Remove the egg mixture from hot water and using your hand mixer or stand mixer, keep beating for the next 10 minutes. We are looking for fluffy and pale yellow color. Next, melt unsalted butter. Add milk tea, but leave 1 or 2 tablespoons on the side. We'll need this tea later for the cream. After 10 minutes, the egg mixture looks perfect, very fluffy and almost triple size. Sift together flour and baking powder to egg mixture. Mix until just combine. To the milk tea, add a few spoons of the batter, mix and pour over to the egg mixture. And again, gently combine all together. Pour the batter to the baking form pan lined with parchment paper, even up and bake in preheated oven for approximately 30 to 35 minutes. Now let's make cream. Bring milk with the same tea leaves to a simmer. Meanwhile, in a separate bowl, beat egg yolks with sugar. Add all-purpose flour and potato starch. Hot milk sift and whisk into yolk mixture. Beat all together, and to get perfect smooth consistency, you can sift again. Add remaining milk tea and return cream custard to the same saucepan and bring to a boil for 2 minutes. Your cream should get thick. Ready cream remove from heat, add butter and whisk until you get glossy cream. It should look just like that. Cover and pop it to the fridge to cool down. Meantime, cake looks perfect. Beat chilled cream on high speed until creamy and fluffy consistency for 8 to 10 minutes. In the separate bowl, you will as well beat heavy cold cream with sugar until stiff peaks. We'll combine both creams together on low speed. For the plum cream, beat in separate bowl again heavy cream and combine with plum jam, which I blended already before. This cream we'll use in the middle of the cake. Cut the cake twice, brew Earl Grey tea and add on first slice of cake. Using piping bag, pipe your first cream and even up. Add your plum cream for the middle, just like that. Top with another layer of cake and just repeat with creams. Cover cake with final layer and cover whole cake with Earl Grey cream. With this step, take your time. We want to make sure the cake looks perfect. Make sure to refrigerate overnight. For the topping, melt white chocolate, add Brew tea, and let it cool to get thicker. Finally, pour chocolate over cool-down cake. And to get even more extra festive look, I prepare chocolate flour. If you're interested in how to create this centerpiece, let me know so I can create video for you. And there you go, so creamy, so delicious Earl Grey cake. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye!